Omuhuriro yo kurwana sendyambi omu bantu bari kurenga 108 abakwasirwe emirimo yo kutimba amajuta aha mwaro gwa Buhuka omu district ya Kikuube. Aba China National Oil Offshore Company Sinok Uganda bahingira omusiro gw'ekyokureberaho ogw'omuceeri ogw'ekika kya WDR-73 oguri kugumira embeera z'obwire kandi oguri kwera omu bwire bukye.
Through the Buhuka and Kasita demonstration farms, we have introduced high-yield rice and millet varieties from China, alongside chili intercropping, piggery demonstration, and integrated training. Together, these efforts provide farmers with practical skills.
Eric Jumba owa National Content nagira ngu kuhinga omuceeri ogu nikija kuhera abantu abari aha mwaro gwa Buhuka ahari kutimbwa amajuta okubahereza ebyokurya ebirume birisa n'okubiiha omu bworo mu bwire bukye.
This harvest represents more than just a success of agriculture, but it represents hopes, partnerships, and progress. It demonstrates that we can achieve when private sector and the farmers and the government and local communities work together towards a common shared prosperity.
We want to say that this initiative and the many other initiatives that Sinok is undertaking in supporting the communities in which they are working.
Peter Muyimbo orukurugo mu kitongore cy'ebyobuhingi obujube hamwe n'amagana nagira ngo ebintu nk'ebi nibija kubutura amasharura no kurwanisa enjara.
Create that environment that fosters the cooperation between China, between the Food and Agriculture Organization, between Minister of Agriculture and the central government, the local government.
Should not keep to you alone. Do not be selfish. Mutesigaliza magezi ibigambo birungi bimukurana.
Emmanuel Barjwaha omwe abateganisiibwe emirimo y'amajuta nagira ngu enteekateeka egyo bigwire amisho abo kuba babiri nibateekereza ngu aha mwaro tubari kuhingaho bintu bikeera.
I appreciate them so much because after taking our land, for sure they changed like our real parents.
Gasha kwa Mbrozo Nwagaba Katoto.